How's it going, guys, and welcome to video number 2. I'm going to be opening my division rivals. Let's go. I've got at least get something good in here. No. I'll keep that for us. Oh, might as well open the team of the week pack. Got German striker. It's inform Werner. Yes, I've got the new inform Nagolan. Get in. I'll keep that. That. The rest of it can go. 2 those. Come on, gotta get something good in these packs. Gotta walk out. Oh, it's Navas. Imagine we get this new ones to watch player. At least I got the new inform Nagolan. It looks pretty damn good. Oh, I've got Hazard. Take that. Now it's time for the big boys. 2 team of the week packs. And we've got a walkout. Please be Ronaldo. Wait, hang on a minute. Oh, I thought that was going to be Ericsson. You know what? Let's keep it. Yes, come on. Another inform walkout. For fuck's sake. Oh, it's Werner again. No, it's 85. The 85 one. I can go. I'm going 7.2. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share and comment. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.